Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to record screen you have to just go to the upper bar, and here you have the button Screen Recorder. Tap on it once and you will summon this screen recorder menu. You can enable touch tracker here, switch it, and also a microphone. And by tapping here you can start recording. Let's record some of our screen. You can summon the recording menu by tapping here, and here you can switch touches, touch tracking. Here you can switch microphone too, or you can't, I guess. And if you want to stop recording, just tap here, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. And here you can find it. Here it is. Let's record some of our screen. You can summon the recording menu by tapping here. You can switch touch. And from here you can share, edit, or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.